Yeah, a lot of snow coming down today. We're expecting around like 4 to 6 inches. So today I'm going to show you how to start this Craftsman's snowblower. This is my 9-year-old Craftsman Snowblower, 24-inch clearing width with electric start. So when you buy a snowblower, make sure you have the electric start. Make life easier. Just in case when you pull the string it doesn't start, electric start make your life easier to start the snowblower. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have enough oil in the in the engine. Right, I think we have enough oil. And second thing is make sure that you have gas here. I already put a little bit of gas here, but see, I just recently added like a couple of weeks ago I just put gas in there, so I did a tune-up on it already. So I know this snowblower starts. We have oil, we have gas. So in order to start this Craftsman snowblower, you need to set this right here. See the choke right here? It's called run. You need when the machine is cold, you need to set the choke all the way to here. The choke. If the machine is already warm already, you don't need to put it. You can just put the run and you can start the engine. But since it's been sitting here, it's very cold. Put it the choke, and then you see the turtle stop. So when you want to stop the engine, you put it the turtle. So in order to start, you put this lever right here all the way to rabbit. Push it to rabbit. Put the key in. Without this key right here, it's not going to start. And then you prime the motor a little bit. Push it about 3-4 times right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 times. You prime the motor a little bit. First method is using the electric start. So you plug the cord right here, plug it to the outlet, plug it here. That's the first method. This is the easy way, and then you push this button right here to start. Pull this lever right here to arouse turtle to stop. That's the first way. It's easy. So like I say, when you buying a snowblower, make sure you have this electric start right here. It's so easy. Just plug it in and push a button right here. Alright, the second way is the cord right here. Do the same procedure. When it's cold, put it all the way to choke. And then put this to rabbit right here, and then prime it 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 times, and then pull the cord right here. Okay, to start. This is a little harder because if you have like you have arm problem, you wouldn't be able to pull the cord. You should use the electric start. Pull this. After the machine start, let it run for a little bit, and you move to run. Move to run. You see how simple it is? So I did a tune-up on this already. I changed the oil. I put fresh gas in there, so it's easy to start. So when you're ready to use the snowblower, just put it to run. So this is it. This is how you start a Craftsman snowblower. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.